Otrdien viesojāmies Philips rīkotajā diskusijā par inovāciju nozīmi, kurā tika prezentēti arī dažādi interesanti un līdz šim neredzēti risinājumi. Kā būtiskākais jāmin VitalSigns tehnoloģija, kur ļauj mērīt cilvēku pulsu un elpošanas biežumu ar vienkāršu kameru, turklāt bez fiziska kontakta. Piedāvājam noskatīties īsu fragmentu no tehnoloģijas prezentācijas, kā arī interviju ar Philips Research pacientu aprūpes risinājumu vecāko pētnieku doktoru Ihoru Kirenko.
Doctors around the world striving or wants to get a technology which can measure vital body signs in an unobtrusive way, and that was a dream for many years. And finally, Philips can actually present technology which can measure heartbeat, respiration, actigraphy without putting any sensor on the body, in contactless and remote way on distance of several meters or even 100 meters by using simple cameras available off the shelf and cameras which are present now in iPad or mobile phones. So first I'll show a real-time demo of heart rate monitoring of a person, my colleague, sitting on the distance like 1.5 meter from the camera. It's nothing more than just simple web camera. And what we see here on the screen, heartbeat signal extracted just from the video on the top or the graph. And on the left we see the heart rate detected from that video.
Hello, my name is Ihoru Kirenko. I'm a research scientist from Philips Research Laboratories in Eindhoven, the Netherlands. What we are showing here is a VitalSigns camera technology which allows measurement of vital signs like heartbeat or respiration by using simple camera, even the webcam. What you see right now, it's a snapshot of real-time demo where the person is sitting in front of simple camera, basically in front of a webcam, and by applying our patented technology to the video from that camera, we can extract heartbeat and respiration signal. So what you see, we detect automatically the face of a person, and by measuring small color changes of the skin of the face, we can extract heartbeat. So technology is basically based on simple principle, the same as contact sensor. It's called photoplethysmography. Every time when the heart beats, it pumps blood over the skin, and those waves of blood volume change the color of the skin. The changes of the color are very small, they are not noticeable by a naked eye. By using simple camera and our proprietary algorithms, we can extract heartbeat signal from small changes of the skin color. Respiratory signal, what you see here on the left, can be extracted by measurement of motion of the breath or chest of a person due to respiration.
Vai ir iespējams veikt mērījumu vairākiem cilvēkiem, un kāds ir maksimālais attālums?
So, the same camera can measure vital signs, so heartbeat and respiration, for several persons at the same time, on a larger distance, up to 100 meters, depends on optics of course, under any lighting conditions.
Kāds ir tehnoloģijas pielietojums?
There are several applications for that technology. Due to the unique features of the technology, it might be used, for example, for mass spot check or monitoring of vital signs in the waiting rooms, for example. It may be used also for home use, for just getting the snapshots of the heart rate and the respiration at this moment of time. And in future it can be used also for monitoring of baby condition if the technology will be embedded in a baby phone.
Vai VitalSigns tehnoloģija ir brīvi pieejama izmēģināšanai?
We already have a first product in the market. That's basically the iPad 2 app. The application allows to measure heartbeat and respiration either as a spot check or as a continuous measurement by using simple camera, just camera of the iPad 2. This is just a snapshot, but this app, which is now accessible via iTunes, downloadable for 79 cents, the person can measure just heartbeat and respiration. He can get also estimation of whether the heart rate is too high or too low, and he can save this data in history. He can also send the information via email or via Facebook or Twitter. So if you want to try that very basic versions of the technology, please download our iPad 2 app.
Kā tas ir iespējams, kā ar parastu planšetdatoru kameru iespējams veikt šādus mērījumus?
art is actually the complexities in the video processing algorithms. So in our laboratory we developed the technology which can extract those small changes of the skin color and automatically adapts to any camera type, to any lighting conditions, and it can differentiate the changes of the light, for example, from the changes of the skin color due to heartbeat. So uniqueness really in the video processing algorithms, which are patented now and really fully owned by Philips.
Vai tiek plānots šo tehnoloģiju nopietni pielietot medicīnā?
Yeah, of course we are aiming on more serious application than just gadget. So we aim for monitoring of vital signs in the general ward or intensive care units. In future, of course, there is still work should be done to prove the accuracy and responsiveness of sensing technology. But I believe in several years that technology can be introduced in hospitals, for example in neonatal intensive care units, to measure the vital signs of babies.
Vai VitalSigns varēs izmantot sporta nodarbībās, piemēram, skrienot uz skrejcelīm?
Yes. Yeah. So that can be also in future can be used for monitoring heart rate during fitness exercise, and actually we proved. I will not show it right now in real-time demo, but we proved that we actually can measure heart rate during fitness exercise and during running on treadmill. So the technology is robust enough to measure even during really heavy motion.
Ar VitalSigns iespējams izmantot jebkādu kameru?
Not every camera, but really reasonable, let's say, camera which is, let's say, CCD camera, which is not very expensive. It can be used. And in future, indeed, this technology might replace the polar belts, which are nowadays used for monitoring of heart rate during fitness exercise.
Kā jau minējām, pasākuma gaitā notika arī diskusija. Diskusijas dalībnieki bija viensprāts, ka inovācija nav jēgas virzīt tikai inovācijas dēļ. Galvenais, kas ir nepieciešams, ir sabiedrības atbalsts. Tā rezultātā inovācija būs veiksmīga un dzīvotspējīga.